민철씨, 저 좀 도와주시겠어요?
네.
네?
네.
아니, 무슨 일 있어요라고 해야죠.
무슨 일이 있어요?
아, 이거 너무 쉽다. Friend's birthday.
친구 생일.
Refrigerator.
냉장고.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
다니엘 요즘 힘들죠, 많이?
네, 많이 힘들어요.
다니엘 얼굴에 기미도 생기고
아이고.
스트레스도 많고
네, 스트레스만 많이 받았어요.
새벽에 잠을 못 자잖아요.
네.
So in this video, we're gonna show you guys like how hard raising kid, raising
Daily
baby.
life of a baby raising.
육아의 하루를 보여드리겠습니다. 아 근데 그 전에 일단 구독자 여러분들께 진짜 감사하다고.
Oh, so thankful for our subscribers. We received so many lovely gifts from all of you and even money from you, and we're just so thankful. Also, like companies have sent us gifts as well. We're really thankful and excited about them.
그리고 가족이랑 친척, 그리고 다니엘 학생과 학부모님들.
So sweet, yes.
진짜 다니엘은 진짜 인기가 많아요. 다니엘은.
But always so grateful. So
예,
thank you.
다니엘한테 항상 친절하게 좋게 다 해주셔서 감사합니다. 그냥 감사합니다.
네, 감사합니다.
또 일어났습니다. 예, 정확히 보이시죠? 새벽 3시. 배가 고파서 일어났나요?
please.
힘들어요?
아니, 괜찮아요.
괜찮아요?
네.
애기 맨날 일어나잖아.
괜찮아요. Not that long.
괜찮아?
Just like 10-minute nap.
기저귀도 갈아줘야 돼. 새벽 3시에 팬티 갈아입기. 기저귀 갈았습니다. 밥도 먹겠습니다. 그럼 다시 하나로. 이게 한 새벽에 2-3번 반복됩니다. 그래서 잠을 못 자요. 아기 키우는 게 힘든 게 아니라 잠 못 자는 게 제일 힘들어요. 진짜 힘듭니다. 안녕하세요. 아침 9시입니다. 아까 새벽 3시에 수유하고 그리고 또 5시에 수유하고 5시에는 제가 일어나질 못했어요. 너무 피곤해서.
Oh, you hungry? You hungry, right?
You hungry again?
Oh.
또 배고파요? 또 배고파요? 아, 밖에 산책하러 나가려고 하는데요. 다니엘이 좋아하는 양재천. 근데 그 전에 기저귀를 또 갈아줘야 돼요.
Smiling.
Oh, you wanna go out?
Smiling baby.
Smiley.
Oh, smiley baby. We freedom.
오, 멋있는데 muscular. Muscular.
This is my good baby.
Good
My
boy.
good baby. Okay. Your hands.
다니엘 이렇게 해주는 게 좋대. Like this. Honey bunny, you're so cute. You're handsome.
I hate honey bunny.
Yeah, I hate honey bunny.
You're my honey bunny.
하지마 그거.
My honey bunny.
그거 너무 오바스러워. 하지마.
He likes it.
여자아이가 더 처리하기가 힘들대요. 근데 남자아이는요. 기저귀 갈다가요. 오줌이 이렇게 나와요. 그럼 자기한테 튀거나 아니면 갈고 있는 엄마 아빠한테 튀거나 아마 그런 경험이 있으실 거예요. 그래서 이렇게 가려줘야 돼요. 가려줍니다. 제가 가려드렸습니다. 헤이든 얼굴만 나오고 있어요.
Yeah. Good, yeah. Oh.
발진이 나서요. 엉덩이에 크림을 또 발라줘야 돼요. 이렇게.
Okay.
참 힘듭니다. 와 멋있다. 와. 잘 어울린다.
You are adorable. You are just the cutest baby. Yes, you are. Cute little baby. Doesn't blue look good on him? Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, so good,
Oh,
Mama.
yeah, I got some.
Oh, good.
Oh, good. Okay. Ooh. Good job.
Yeah, yay!
Good job,
Yay for the baby. Yeah, for the baby.
Yay.
Yeah. Oh, I bet that feels good.
Does.
Feel good? Yeah.
Oh, goodness.
Oh my.
Nothing's come out.
It did.
It did.
You'll see it in a minute.
You missed it.
Okay, try the other. Oh, there. See, MJ? You see that?
네. 어.
Oh. Look at that
baby.
Yay for the baby. Yay for the baby.
We did it, baby.
Good job. Look at how he's sitting there. He's just such a little man.
I know. He is.
You're strong. You're brave. You're smart. You're handsome.
And now you can breathe.
Now I
You're
can breathe.
Yeah, is that better? Is that better breathing? Let's do bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Are you walking? Come on, let's see big, strong legs. There we go. Big, strong legs. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy.
Say 가자.
Kaja.
가자.
Kaja. Okay, hi. I don't know what it means either.
Let's go.
Oh, let's go. Kaja.
그러면은 유모차를 타고 밖으로 나가 보겠습니다. 이 유모차는 장모님이 아마존에서 사주신 유모차입니다. 30만원? 40만원? 싼 거 샀어요. 유모차도 한 100만원, 200만원짜리도 있더라고요.
Okay, baby, you ready?
스타벅스 왔어요.
And there's raccoons here too. Raccoons? Korean raccoons.
Oh, yeah.
At nighttime.
Yeah. Do they look like American ones?
No, they look different.
No one.
No one takes it.
No one take that.
Hopefully they'll come back for it.
Usually I'm more down. And you can't hear any cars down there too. Oh, it's really nice. There's a stream that
I
goes.
can see the water.
Yeah.
Good, good.
꿀맛.
어?
꿀맛. 밖에서 먹으니까 꿀맛이요.
꿀맛이에요? 장모님? 장모님 꿀맛이래?
Yummy?
Yes. 맛있다.
많이 맛있다? 아니 그렇게 하는 게 아니라 앞으로 해야지. 그렇게 해야지. 그렇게 해야지. 아, 할 줄 모르네. 참.
공기 맑고 사연 예쁘고 미소리 좋고.
시원하고.
네.
Daniel, you need this time, healing time,
I need
right?
healing time. Yeah. You know, like before having a baby, I read so much about how hard it is to raise babies.
yeah.
But actually,
It
it
is.
is really hard. But our baby's so cute, and I love him so much, and it's so like worthwhile. It's worth it, you know. I feel like I have purpose.
Do you think you can have another one?
Yes.
Okay. I'm done. Can you do me a favor for us?
Yes.
Can you buy this apartment here?
Oh, let's see. How much?
You have money?
Tell her the price, MJ.
Yeah, tell me the price.
Tell me the price.
What's the, how much?
I don't know. I don't even
Did you
I don't even know.
Did you go?
I never look at this because it's
Oh, let's go way the top though. This is the penthouse.
Daniel, didn't you say like all of your league, right? Yeah, my league. When she was in Texas,
She would go and get bingsu all the time. She loved the strawberry bingsu.
Yeah, it's my favorite. It's time to go up above.
because he's dehydrated.
Hungry. Whoa, good job.
I'll feed him when I get home then.
Yes, he will eat when you get home.
You can have this every day if you move to Korea.
I can't. I would get very big.
My mother-in-law's
26 out of 850. Yeah? Yeah.
so exceptional.
Yeah. But I take care of all of our finances, so he'll never be late because I take care of it.
Okay.
I'm very, very. I used to be a banker. I used to be a lending
Oh,
officer.
yeah. So she used to be working in Wells Fargo,
Yeah.
and you used to work in Target.
So did she.
Oh, yeah, and you used to work in Target too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. At the Danielle and I worked for the corporation, the headquarters.
Headquarters.
In Minneapolis. Yeah.
And Target is from Minneapolis.
It is. And we love Target.
Minnesota.
Everybody loves
Minnesota has big companies.
They do.
3M.
Yeah.
Spam. And your mom used to work in airline, Delta Airline.
She's a flight attendant.
Delta Airline.
Yeah. No, it was called Northwest.
Northwest.
Airlines.
Yeah, Northwest.
Then they changed the name to Delta.
산책 가는 것도 힘들어요, 애기랑.
네, 중이에요.
조용히.
이거 엄마 드시고 싶대요.
뭔데? 뭘 또 드시? 아니 팥빙수 먹고 왔는데 뭘 또 드시고 싶어?
Like real food.
아 진짜 음식?
네.
그럼 팥빙수는 가짜 음식이고.
네.
알았어.
디저트.
뭐요 뭐?
파스타.
파스타요?
네.
예.
리카트 치즈,
예.
포모도로.
아 미국 응? 애기 방구 꼈어요 지금. 미국 사람들은 한국 오면은 피자랑 파스타랑 빵이랑 커피랑 땡겨요. Like when I went to the US, 컵라면, 김치찌개, 밥, 흰 쌀밥 땡겨요. Like same.
Maybe sometimes, yeah. Like, can only have so much Korean food. Then you gotta switch it up.
Yeah. Okay. 그럼 다니엘 갔다 와.
아니요, 남편.
와, 나 지금 들어왔는데 다 같이. 내가 가겠습니다.
할 수 있어?
네, 갈 수 있어요.
고마워요.
야, 여기서 나밖에 갈 사람이 없잖아. 누가 갈 건데? 다니엘 못 가죠. 산후조리. 아니 제일 나이 어린 사람이 가야지.
네.
그럼 헤이든이 가야지.
네, 해야지.
헤이든이 가야지.
진짜.
You know, 제일 youngest. 알지? 카드 줘, 야. 야, 헤이든. 카드 줘, 카드 줘, 사오라 그래. Okay, I can get your food. Okay, see ya. 오케이, 다 사왔습니다. Dinner's ready. 면을 잘라 드시네요. Coming?
She's feeding.
Do you have to wear clothes? What, are you
Filming?
naked?
Woohoo!
Oh, okay.
Get a lot of new subscribers if you're naked.
I don't think so.
I
아니,
do.
다니엘 지금 모유 수유하고 있어가지고. Good one, where?
It's really good.
Good? Oh, yeah.
Did you try it? It's really good.
I'm gonna try it.
Okay, enjoy.
Thank you so much.
고마워.
네.
No, what did you get? Noodles? Over here?
Yeah. Bye, mom.
That's good. This is good too.
아, 또 배고파서 옵니다. 밥 먹을 시간입니다. 아기 샤워 타임.
Bath time.
Bath time.
Yeah.
근데 왜 여기서 해요?
Oh, because I can't get down in the bathroom,
Ah.
so I have to have like
Yeah,
my
yeah.
back hurts.
Yeah.
So, anyway, check the water.
네.
Elbow,
Yeah.
not too hot.
Not too hot? It's perfect now?
Perfect.
Okay.
And we got his soap already here.
예, 베이비 들어오세요. 헤이드님. 들어오세요.
Come in.
And then I'm just going to let's get this ready because we use this for rinsing. Right now, Mom is just rubbing away. There we go.
오! What the heck? 오줌 싸고 있어.
But you can see all the water we have in there. But pea water is nothing. You can still give him a good bath. And
He likes the baths, by the way.
oh, and he's just cute.
오!
He's a good peer. He's a good. Ooh.
오!
Oh my.
Well, it was really good
Well,
water.
it was clean water.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, keep going.
The fountain of youth right here. Look at all that hair is coming in. Look at the baby hairs. And we've got baby eyelashes.
Yes.
He just loves water. He's going to be a water baby.
Yeah.
But he's born under the water sign, so it makes sense.
Yeah.
Quickly close that up. And this.
Wow, perfect.
Yeah. All right, come on. Let's go do cuddles. Come on.
Thank you, baby. Here, tuck your arm in there. Okay.
And then she puts it all over him and just gives him a massage, and he loves it. He loves his legs and his feet, the bottom of his feet. Massaging them is really good for their digestive system.
Wow, you didn't cry at all.
No, he loves his bath. He doesn't cry at bath time.
Yeah.
아, 지금 여기서 자고 있는데요. 아이를 침대에 놔두는 순간 눈이 깨고 울음이 터지고 완전 그래서 꼭 사람 팔에서 자려고 하거든요. 놀 수도 없고 제가 일을 할 수도 없고 이렇게 지금 잘 자죠? 제가 한번 놔둬볼까요? 침대 100% 옵니다. 한번 해볼게요. 보여드릴게요.
Go slowly, okay? Slowly. What are you doing? Feel calm?
Baby is so cute.
Yeah.
But raising kid is 어때요? Okay?
I love it. Like, it's the best job in the world, but
Are
it's
you-
also hard.
You
It's a
sure?
full-time job.
You love it?
I love it.
You cried last time.
It's okay. It's just it's hard. Sometimes it's hard. 힘들지만 애기 너무 귀여웠어. 행복해요.
진짜예요?
진짜요. Yeah, right?
Yeah. Okay. All right. What's going on? Okay, 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 okay. Oh my, you get so worked up. Buddy, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
See? Grandma worked.
Grandma is the best.
Yeah,
one.
grandma is the best.
Hayden loves grandma
Oh, grandma.
so much. Look how calm he is with
It's
grandma.
okay, honey. It's okay. It's okay.
Mom,
It's okay. Yeah.
can you just stay with us?
Yeah.
How much do we have to pay for
You
you?
don't have to. I pray. Oh, and no. Oh, you better not mention my leaving. That makes him very upset. It's okay. Is it your tummy?
I think it's his tummy.
Is it your tummy? Should we do some flying? Would you like to do some flying? A booty bump, boom, boom, boom. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's good. Right there. Oh, that's good. Bump, bump, bump. A booty bump, 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 bump. Hi, Dad. A booty bump, bump, bump. Is that good? Oh.
Was it really hard, like, to raise Danielle when she was like baby?
Yeah, no, not really.
Not really.
No.
Not like Hayden.
He's really easy.
good too.
It's
He's
good.
really easy.
So do you think raising baby is really hard job?
It's the best job.
Best job?
Yeah.
It's hard. It is hard.
It's hard.
I think
but
it's hard, but
It's hard, but
so worth it.
Yeah.
Do you feel any differences raising baby in Korea and America?
Oh, all of the older grandmas, they always say he's cold.
Oh, yeah,
Even
and
when it's hot outside.
yeah, it's a little bit different.
It's not cold.
It's not cold.
They don't say that he's too young to go outside. Like here,
No.
it's kind of common to say like don't go out
Yeah,
for 100 days, right?
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Right. But in America, you can go out, you can do things.
Do you think that's because
Air pollution?
in Seoul, or air pollution, or there's so many people in Seoul that you could get sick?
Maybe.
Whereas, we're not
America is like big.
big spread out.
Yeah.
Yeah. The booty bump, the booty bump.
Can you hold the camera, Danielle?
Yeah.
Like this? I have to give her something.
Oh, money.
This is all I have. 1,000원, 10,000원, 20,000원, 30,000원, 40,000원, 46,000원, 47,000원 여기요.
No, go work harder.
Go work hard.
No, I don't need money. And this is a free job.